his sounds off?
There he goes.
Awesome. He sprayed it.
Yep,
Marking his territory.
Yep.
Oh my God, he is.
Bad cat.
That is a bad kitty.
We would think of taking it back to the pound.
Izu!
Alright, let me get his
That's
part.
what he did last time. He went over there,
Yeah.
yelled, and then came back.
He wants the mate.
It's cool, huh?
He wants a girlfriend. It's awesome.
I wonder if the zebras are running in their cages right now.
Oh, he sees the antelope. Do you see the antelope?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there.
See the lion, Sheila? And they're not running.
No.
That's his name?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Izu.
Izu.
I
Izu.
swear, every time she called him, he kind of looks like
He knows his name.
Izu!
He's sitting.
I have been coming here for 5 years and have never seen him do this ever.
Oh my gosh, the last couple of times he was sitting there and we saw him like